Welcome to your new Arena 3. First, we'll treat you with the best part, unboxing. Here's what comes included. Now that we have everything unpacked, let's get this set up. Plug the right speaker's attached 3.5mm cable labeled to left speaker into the left speaker's audio input. Now that both your speakers are connected, plug the other 3.5mm cable into the PC audio input on your Arena 3 right speaker and then into your audio device's audio stereo output. Lastly, plug the regional plug to the power adapter into the power input and the other side into a power outlet. Let's get into the controls. To adjust your master volume, turn the dial on the right speaker left or right. You can also press the multifunction button next to the volume dial once to toggle mute, and the LED indicator will appear orange. Want to switch back and forth between your speaker and headset with the press of a button? Plug your headset audio cable into the Arena 3 headset audio jack located in the back of the right speaker. When first connected, the speakers will automatically mute and activate your headset audio. To toggle back and forth to the speaker sound, press the multifunction button on the front of the right speaker and you should be in business. If you'd like to connect to a Bluetooth-enabled device, hold the multifunction button on the right speaker for 5 seconds to pair with your device. The LED will start to blink blue when searching for a device. Note that the Bluetooth audio will mix with other audio sources. To take your Arena 3 sound to the next level, download our new GG software at steelseries.com/GG. If you have any questions, head over to our FAQ page or open a support ticket on our website. Now go catch some dubs.